Good morning students. Today we will learn about types of lines. In previous class we have learned about basic concepts of geometry, and today in that which we have learned lines also. Let's revise those concepts first. Point. A point is a tiny dot. The dot is symbol for point. Point is named by using capital letters of alphabet. Line, which is shown by arrowheads on both sides. In the figure, you can see there are two arrows on both sides of line. Arrowhead indicates that we can extend the line on both sides. A line is named by using small letters of alphabet or using any point on the line. For example, we can say that this is line AB or line BA. Now, line segment. Line segment is a piece of line. A line segment has 2 points showing its limit. There are 2 stops, full stops you can say on both sides of line segment. That means you cannot extend them. These points are called endpoints. Line segment is named as line segment AB or segment BA. Ray. In the figure you can see ray has 1 arrow and 1 full stop. It is also a part of a line. It is starting from the point A and going endlessly in the side of B. The starting point is called origin or initial point. The ray is named as ray AB, not ray BA, because we write name of ray from the starting point. Now, plane. A plane is a solid surface which may be flat or curved. The surface of the table, wall, blackboard, etc. is smooth and flat. The surface of ball and orange are curved. Flat surface is known as plane surface. Page of your copy is also plane surface. Plane can be extended endlessly in all the directions. It has no length, breadth or thickness. You cannot measure it. Your page of notebook is part of plane. We can draw certain figures like square, rectangle, triangle and circle on the plane. Hence these figures are called plane figures. A plane is named by taking 3 points on it which are not on the line. Now we will read about different types of lines. Intersecting lines. 2 lines in a plane which cut each other at common point are called intersecting lines, and the point is called the point of intersection. Where the 2 lines are meeting, that point is called point of intersection. In the figure you can see lines L and M are intersecting at point O. Perpendicular lines. 2 lines are called perpendicular if they cut each other at right angle, or we can say they form a letter L. Parallel lines. 2 lines in a plane which do not intersect at any point, that is they do not have any point in common, are called parallel lines. How far they are extended. You keep on extending but they will never meet. The distance between parallel lines always remain same. Now you will explore different types of lines that we observe in our day-to-day life. Let's revise what have we done today. Intersecting lines, lines that cross each other. In figure you can say line AB is intersecting line PQ at point C. Perpendicular lines, lines that cross at right angles. Here you can say line AB is perpendicular. This is the symbol of perpendicular on PQ. Parallel lines, lines that do not touch, they are always at the same distance apart. Here you can see lines AB and line PQ will never meet. How far you will extend them. 11 is the sign of parallel. Okay. Thank you children.